Alright, what's up YouTube? So I'm back at it, another build series video, part 9 of the KX125 build. Today's mission is to get to, the conversion kit. Hopefully get all that mounted up, but that's kind of in the back of the list. Finally got the piston in, so we can put the top end in. I was trying to hold off before I put the conversion kit on because I was waiting on the piston, but it came in yesterday. So we'll get everything put in. I got to take off one radiator, get all the hoses hooked up, and then put the flywheel in. But if you guys are new and this is the first video you're watching and you want to see this KX125 take shape into the 2018 to look like the 250F, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see the build. Give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you think of the bike so far. It definitely helps me out a lot for you guys to leave feedback and comments on the video. It helps me like feedback on the bike, and it also helps me promote the video. The more you like it, the more you comment, it kind of boosts the how YouTube in their algorithm boosts the video. So the more comments the better, the more thumbs up the better, obviously, but it takes 2 seconds of your time and it dramatically helps my channel grow and more people to see the video. So don't forget to follow the dedicated Instagram for the build, which is at Project KX125. My personal account at Tyler Monagan. I've pretty much got every single new part left over to put on over here. Rear master cylinder, front brake, rear brake pedal, blah blah blah. And I think that's pretty much it as far as new stuff or stuff that was vapor honed and whatnot to put on the bike. And hopefully have all the plastics on it by the end of the video. Probably would have already seen it in the thumbnail, but Justin over here working on the pitter. He's putting a light bar on, but unfortunately it didn't work. Got a new SSR 2017 SSR 125. 18. Alright, 2018 SSR 125. He's part of the pit bike gang now. Yeah. And yeah, as usual, step by step, we'll get going on this build, and we'll start time lapse and stuff right. Alright, so here's a little update here. I got the flywheel put in, as you saw. Clutch is in, radiators are on. I'm missing this one side radiator hose. I can't find it anywhere. Maybe I left it at Josh's. I'm gonna have to give him a call or something, but I'm not sure. If I find it, I'm just gonna throw it on, but I can't find it anywhere. It might be in some random box, I don't know. But for right now, I'm gonna look for that. Next is I'm gonna put on the carb. Then I have to put on the rear brake master cylinder, line that up, line the line up. The front brake on, run that up, and then we can get on to the conversion kit and getting these plastics put on. Like anything, it always takes a lot longer than what you think it's gonna do, and just doing that first little process time lapse you guys saw, that was probably a good hour and a half, maybe 2 hours of work. Huge shout out to Electron for the carb. This thing's gonna make this thing run so crisp. If you guys don't know who Electron is or their carbs, I definitely highly recommend checking them out. I'll leave their link down below in the description to check out their website, along with their Instagram, to see some different photos and different bikes they put it on. So it kind of works with this slide here. I gotta look up in detail how it specifically works, but basically there's no jets in it and it kind of adjusts to altitude on its own. And overall will just make the bike run a lot crisper. So if you guys want to really learn about it, you can check out their website down below. Yeah, huge thank you to them thing's gonna be screaming and be super responsive now, so thing looks sick. It's even got this sick clear float bowl so you can see the fuel in there. Tron even includes a new throttle cable along with their tools to adjust it. It's got this little pin thing to adjust the slide in there. And yeah, so they hook it up with the tools, throttle cable. Along with it pretty much being set up, as soon as you get it, you shouldn't have to touch it at all. Maybe a little bit of fine tuning on the idle and whatnot, but for the most part, out of the box, you slap it on and you should not have to do any adjustments. Your bike should run mint. So that's the plan, not gonna touch it, and we'll see how it runs. All right, and here it is, finally, after hours, probably like 2 days straight of work after going, I was up until like 5:30 last night, like 10, got back out here, started on it again, and I believe it is currently 11:47 next day. So finally got this stupid thing done. What took me the whole, like a huge amount of time was the air box and trying to fit everything with the boot and whatnot. Most of it was my mistake, but that took me a very long time. I don't even know how long, but it's over with. It doesn't matter anymore. The thing is together, got all the plastics on, good to go. I just put the seat on for now just so you can get a look of it. And up some of the fork guards a little bit loose because I had a washer behind here so it'll fit a little bit better. I gotta find the little hook thing to hold the front brake line down. I lost that, might have to get a new one. Electron carb on there and everything. I think that's in the same video. What else? I could have put the pipe on and whatnot, but I'm gonna save that until the next video once I get the wheels in, and then I'll get all that situated along with bleeding the brakes, figuring that out. I have to find that other radiator hose like I was saying before. I still have to swap out the whole throttle assembly once I get that in next week for Motorsport. Yeah, there's still quite a bit to do on it, but you get a rough idea on what the bike looks like. And this is pretty much what a lot of people are waiting for. This video came out so sick. I cannot wait. Hopefully next week it'll be the first ride as long as things go to plan and I get everything in. And yeah, overall I'm hyped on it. Can't wait to try this thing out. Should be super sick. There was a little issue. I'm not sure how to actually mount the front of the plastics here. I mean, they're mounted on the side, but I gotta figure out how to screw these in or something right here. Maybe at least screwed in one up here or whatnot. I don't know. I'll figure it out in the next Build Series video. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you think this thing's sick. I don't know. Give the video a thumbs up regardless if you've been following the build and whatnot. But I'm going for the OEM look, like I was saying before, for right now. And I got some sick graphics that are going on there. Not graphics, but graphics. You'll see they're pretty sick, I think. But yeah, just trying to keep it OEM for right now. And then as when I race it, I'll just swap out the front number plate for a number plate with the number on there. And then I'm just going to leave the rest the stock look. But for right now, at least. Maybe eventually I'll get a different Traction MX seat cover, change the plastics. I'm sure I will once I get bored of it and whatnot. But yeah, so I got to change out every single bolt with the spec bolt kit, the nickel works plated bolts that he sent me. If you guys want to check out spec bolts, I'll leave the link down below in the description. He hooked it up with a bunch of kits. This kit, along with everything else I would need to possibly do on the rest of the bike. Pretty much everything I need to put the bike back together, brand new everything. So huge shout out to him. Check out spec bolt. Like I said, link will be down below in the description. And he even got a little custom project 2018 KX125. He went all out, got a 2003 and then a 2017, which is sick. And yeah, everything is nickel plated, nice, super good quality. Even got the nice anodized washers I put on there. I put on the tank right here, and then I put some underneath the fenders right there for right now, and then I'm gonna figure out where I want some other ones. But yeah, thing is sick. Super hyped right now that I finally got this thing done. This place is a mess right now. I had like no work area. I'm like, you have no idea how mad I was trying to get that air box and stuff figured out. That's why I didn't film much of that process of it going on with the subframe and whatnot. But oh, on the topic of the subframe, this kind of is a little janky right now because I had to sand down the subframe in order for it to fit, because I couldn't really sand down inside the frame because of the powder coat. You see there's a little bit there and there, so I might have to take this off, get that powder coated. And it kind of, I don't like the way it looks, and it came factory like chipped like that, or when I took the tape off from packaging, it ripped the paint off, so it must have been cheap paint. And so yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get that powder coated, or maybe I'll spray paint that. I don't know. Some of you guys had a hissy fit about me spray painting this, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm still waiting on the carbon fiber guards for the frame, and a few other little things are coming in here shortly. But this throttle's super, super snappy, super good. I don't know why I'm talking about the throttle right now, but I'm just hyped. Yeah, I just wanted to finish it, and I wasn't worrying about, like, it got towards the end and I'm like, I stopped being organized. I stopped doing that because I was pretty organized throughout the whole build for the most part, but now it's just a mess. So I gotta clean all this up tomorrow or something. Also got another green front number plate I might put on there. I don't know, let me know what you think if I should do the green or the white that's on there. I probably should keep the white since it's got the white side plates, but I don't know. As you can see, a lot of you didn't like that scheme with the black and the green, but I like it. That's all that matters. I also didn't put the petcock or the bottom of the fuel tank thing on because I'm waiting on the seal for the fuel tank. I thought it came with the fuel tank when I bought it, but I had to order that in Motorsport today, so it should come in probably Tuesday or Wednesday, and then have that on after that. So the fuel line's just dangling here, but yeah, waiting on a few little things that I didn't know I have to order. That's part of the build, and it's part of the game when you're literally building something from scratch and you literally have no idea what you're doing and how to put it together with a conversion kit. And if I knew, it probably would have taken like half the amount of time to put together, but that's in the fun of the build and part of the process. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up part 9 of the KX125 build. If you guys are new, like I always say, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post new videos. Don't forget to follow the dedicated Instagram account for the build at Project KX125, along with my personal account at Tyler Monagan. Off of that, I'm super tired. I'm gonna wrap the video up here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.